So we got to pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us, so that we will have that Iman and faith in Allah and what Allah has commanded us to do, and we will obey and follow what Allah has commanded us to do in the Holy Quran and according to the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And I don't need to go very far to see that and say that. We know that. That's a living example around. It's a living example. We know that, after, in the 5 pillars of Islam, Salah is one of our very ideal example of how much Muslims pray and how many Muslims pray. Jum'ah, which is so compulsory, like the other 5 times Salah, Ijtimai, congregational prayer. The statistics of Muslims who pray Jummah is not even 10 or 15%. And you can look at that from Eid al-Fitr, because the very same masjids that have 500 people for Jummah is the same masjid will have 3,000 people for Eid. And if you have a small little masjid that got 100 people for Jummah, then that's the same masjid on Eid may have 400 and 500 people. So the very first, according to many hadith and sayings of the Prophet, peace be upon him, the very first question on the day of judgment, on the day of Qiyamah, pertaining to our salah, our prayer will be our prayer. The very first question, our salah. And if that pillar is not upheld by the Muslims, that's a sign of low Iman. That's a sign of low Iman.